Reigning champions Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 42 runs in a high-scoring game, but their spirited effort was not enough to take them to the IPL playoffs. After an amassing 235 for 9, Mumbai Indians needed to limit SRH to 65 or less to qualify for the playoffs ahead of KKR, but expectedly that did not happen. SRH ended with 193 for 8, with stand-in captain Manish Pandey making an unbeaten 69 off 41 balls. It is for the first time in 3 seasons that 5-time champions Mumbai Indians have not entered the last 4 after lifting the trophy in the past 2 editions.
नहीं, स्ट्रैटेजी तो कुछ बदली नहीं थी। हमें पता था कि हमें कैसे कंडीशंस मिलेंगे। हमने लास्ट ईयर यहाँ पे ट्रॉफ़ी जीती थी, तो कंडीशंस तो एलियन नहीं थे हमारे लिए। हमने यहाँ पर अच्छा किया हुआ था। तो बस बात यही था कि जो मोमेंटम हमें मिला हुआ था दिल्ली में, हम 2 बैक टू बैक मैचेस जीते थे और उसके बाद हम चाहते थे कि मैचेस और चले, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ whatever was happening in the country, there was a break and all of us has to depart. हमें वापस अपने अपने जगह चले जाना पड़ा। तो बिल्कुल यहाँ पर हम जब आए तो काफ़ी थोड़ी इंजरीज़ थी हमें। काफ़ी प्लेयर्स ने इनिशियली 2-3 मैचेस मिस किए जो हमारी ओरिजिनल कॉम्बिनेशन थी उससे, बट उसके बावजूद भी आई अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें परफॉर्म करना चाहिए, हमें अच्छा खेलना चाहिए, बट इस साल हो नहीं सका। वैसे काफ़ी हम इनकंसिस्टेंट थे हमारे परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर। अगर आप इनकंसिस्टेंट रहोगे अपने परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है क्वालिफाई करना प्लेऑफ्स के लिए। बट अगेन जिस तरीके से हमने क्रिकेट खेला है पिछले 2-3 सालों में, आई थिंक हमें काफ़ी उस चीज़ से प्राउड फील करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 2 बैक टू बैक चैम्पियंस जीते थे हम पिछले 2 सालों में। तो कहीं ना कहीं जैसे मैंने बताया कि हम इस साल उतने कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहे, इसीलिए शायद हम क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाए। Yeah, look, in terms of his bowling, he hasn't bowled yet. So the physios, the trainers, the medical team is working on his bowling. As of now, all I know is he hasn't bowled a single ball yet. But we wanted to take one game at a time and see where he stands at the moment. Today, you saw him didn't bowl today as well, but he's getting better day by day. So in the next week or so he might be able to bowl. Who knows? I mean, only the doctors or the physios will be able to give an update on that. As far as his batting is concerned, yes, he'll be a little disappointed, but we know the quality of him. He's a quality player. There's no doubt about that. And he's come back from tough situations before as well. Personally, for him, he will not be happy with his batting. But again, the team has confidence in his ability. I personally have confidence in his ability. So yeah, I mean, look, he's progressing. When you look at him, he's getting better every time that he goes onto the field. He looks better and better. But again, a player like him are probably just one innings away from getting back to his own natural way. And we've seen it in the past. He's done it before as well. So yeah, if I have to put everything together, I mean, I'm very personally confident of his ability, and we've seen it in the past, and there's no doubt that he'll be a valuable asset.